What's up, everybody? Welcome back or to the channel. Workhard Ellswick back out in the garage again. I say it all the time, but I spend a lot of time out here. Totally fine with me. Hopefully, if things work out the way they're supposed to, I'll be spending a lot more time out here and being able to support my family doing it. So, at any rate, by the first few minutes of this video here, you can see I've been crazy busy trying to get the truck cleaned up, as it has been nasty. We just went through a polar vortex, as they call it, which had us just way down into the negative numbers. Everything was frozen. Then we got, inches and inches and inches of snow on top of all that, which we still have all over the ground. It's been pretty warm the last few days, so I think we're kind of out of it at this point. And it's actually starting to warm up again. So we are working on getting this thing behind me here cleaned up. So y'all seen the beginning of that. Got everything wiped down, and I'm getting ready to knock the interior out on it. We use a lot of walnut shells at work. We can't use salt because of the airplanes, so they'll come through with big old dump trucks and just spread walnut shells all over our ramps and everything, so that all of our support equipment isn't out on the ramp sliding around and not capable of moving the planes and stuff. So as with anything else, as that stuff stays on top of the ground and you walk around on it, it gets caught all up in your boots, and you end up dragging it into your car. So not too bad, because I usually keep mine pretty clean year round, but yeah, I got some cleaning to do. So what this video is about is I actually got some of these, some jam handles. Never used them before. I've seen them on Instagram. I actually won these. So shout out to Jam Handle and Smog Dog Diesel Company. They had a giveaway and I won it. And we're gonna try to put them on today and see how they work. I've never really had an issue with scratching my paint by the way I close my door, because I never touch the paint on the door when I close it anyway, right? I do touch the handle here though, but I never really put my hand anywhere else to close it. I usually always touch the handle and then grab the jam anyway when I'm opening it, and most of the time I push it from inside the handle there when I close them. I've always done that, every vehicle I've ever had, right? So I don't know, we'll get these things thrown on here in a little bit and see how they work. We're grabbing them with your fingers to close the doors. Should be okay. Should be okay. Best thing you can do before you stick them on is grab you some isopropyl alcohol here. Figure out where you're going to stick them. Make sure you clean that real good with alcohol so you don't have any problems with the 3M tape that's on the back of them adhering to the door surface. So we'll get that knocked out. I'm gonna get this thing vacuumed out first and get it all wiped out. So give me a minute and then we'll stick these things on and see how they work. All right, guys, I'm starting to run out of daylight, so I got to get this done. I'm still cleaning. I kind of lost track of time here. That seems to happen to me sometimes. So this is soaked with isopropyl. I think I'm going to stick it right in here. It'll be pretty good. So we're just going to get that cleaned up. Make sure there's no oils or waxes or anything. And I always wipe these out with the cleaning sprays. Every time I wash and wipe my truck down, the door jams get wiped down too. So we got to get all that out of there. I don't know if you can see that, but I always keep these really clean too and wiped down. Granted, it's a pretty new truck, so I'm not too worried about these things getting hard, but over time that will happen. Alright, so wipe it out really good with the alcohol and then dry it out really good as well, and you'll have a nice clean surface to stick these to. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to go higher. Because that's going to hit the edge of the door jamb. Yeah, maybe I'll go up here. Just let me make sure I got that wiped out really good. I think this will clear. I don't think it'll hit anything in there. I can see the section that this seal rides right on in there, and this will be behind anything that could possibly cause this thing to hit. Just peel back your 3M tape there. Get this kind of in there where you want it. Kind of want it on an angle like that. Keep pressure on this for a little bit. Give that tape some time to adhere. This section of the doors is not flat. It's got a little bit of a curve to it. It's concaved in there, so you want that to stick real good. Every time you grab it with your fingers and go to close it, you'll rip it off. Yeah, that's pretty slick. All right. Can you guys see that? Yeah. There you go. Simple as that, I guess. Alright, no big deal. Pretty slick. Now I just got to remember to use it. Alright. Let me get these other doors knocked out and we'll call it good. Alright, here's the back door. So obviously the back door is a little bit different. This surface here is completely flat, so we shouldn't have any issues with this with the thing sticking in here. That's going to be on the inside. Oh yeah, we should have enough room. It's a little scary up here because on the front door, if you notice, the jam handle's actually on the outside of the seal. You can see how it runs down the outside of that seal right there, and on the back it's actually going to be on the inside of the seal. So I think that'll work, because you really don't have any room. You really don't have any room for it to fit in there. So it's going to have to go like right there. And I think that should clear everything. Yeah. Yeah, it will. I'm going to put it about roughly in the same spot. That looks good there. Right above that seal. And then same deal. That should give me enough room, I hope. Yeah, using that that alcohol and cleaning this up, I mean, you can just tell when this double back sticky tape sticks, like it's on there. That stuff ain't going nowhere. This one's got me a little there you go. Easy as that. Alright guys, we got the jam handles all installed. They're pretty cool. Definitely a product I would have never thought about. And I show you guys how I close my doors all the time, so I never really would have thought to put something in my door jamb like that to try to close the door, but that's pretty much all I got for right now. A lot more stuff coming. here in the near future. I got all my information together and everything to hopefully order and get my powder coat ovens here pretty soon. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm gonna have to wrap this up pretty quick though. I got some stuff to do tonight. I gotta leave at 4:30 and it's a 4:15 right now. So yeah, I gotta get the truck closed up, get it put away, and we got some stuff to go take care of. So all right, that's gonna end it for this one, guys. Thanks for everybody that's come by and checked all the videos out. My subscribers have jumped up quite a bit now, so I appreciate you. I think when I started all this, I had like 18, and then I'm at 160, 170 or something like that now. So appreciate y'all. Go check me out over on Instagram at workhardelswick, work_hard_Elswick. I'm sure you see the stickers and stuff everywhere, and everything will be linked in the comments down below, or in the description down below, I should say. I'll actually put a link to these jam handles too. I'll get on the website and link the ones that these are. So we got a lot of cool ones of these. I think these are they're cheaper ones. They're just black plastic, but go to the website and check them out. They got all kinds of cool ones on there. I think they actually have some aluminum, some polished billet aluminum ones too, if you want to spend the money to get them. So all right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.